infrastructure as such is necessary as a service for growth and development of industry as well as your agriculture sector. So let's understand when it comes to infrastructure how a country is placed. Let's first understand exactly what infrastructure is all about. See, this is one of the supporting services which is being provided to the production industry, that is the industry, as well as to the agriculture sector. Now this could be in form of your dams, water pipes, your irrigation facilities, then your educational facilities, that is the social system will also be a part of infrastructure. Now you would have seen, like over the years, traveling has become more and more convenient. So similarly, traveling or transferring of goods from one place to another has become more convenient. With the advent of globalization and with the advent of internet, we have been able to sell the products to anybody in the world. And again, because if we have that infrastructure, like if India has the proper infrastructure, it would be more the better infrastructure, so that we can transfer the goods at a faster pace and in a better manner. Now see, as I just told you, what comprises of infrastructure: your roads, railways, ports, airports, dams, power station, even your oil gas pipelines, telecommunication facilities, that is the way we do the communication between each other, educational system of the country, health system of the country. This would include your hospitals, sanitary system and the monetary systems, which would include your banks, insurance and financial institutions. This all combined together is infrastructure. So remember in mind, infrastructure doesn't just mean roads and railways or anything related to that. It is a combination of all these factors. Okay. Now in terms of social infrastructure, we consider education and healthcare, housing facilities and civic utilities also as a part of infrastructure. What is the reason for that? The reason is because when we are seeing the growth of the country, whenever these systems are developed, the industry as such and the agriculture sector as such grows on a faster rate, and hence all these are included in the word infrastructure.